Y'all already know the vibes, man. We was not ending off the first quarter without this sneaker in the collection, man. We was not ending off the first quarter of 2026 without this sneaker in the collection. Y'all know the vibes, man. Like, comment, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, head over to Instagram, follow your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. Let's run that intro and get straight to it, you dig?
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, I don't wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today we got a sneaker that I told y'all I was not ending off the first quarter without this sneaker. However, I did make the smart play and I purchased one of the sneakers over the other one first. I passed on the other one, and of course we do have a friends and family version of the sneaker as well. We're gonna go ahead and get it out the box. Yes, sir. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all see the box. So if you guys are new to the channel, if you guys did not know, the Air Jordan Retro 1 is my absolute favorite silhouette, favorite sneaker of all time, man. I have probably reached close to 200 pairs of Air Jordan 1s. That's right, y'all. I have a ton of Air Jordan 1s. The last time I counted them was many years ago. I think I had almost 150 pairs. So you fast forward like 5-6 years, that lets you know I have still been buying ones, whether it be lows, highs, you feel me? So it is something that I really do take pride in, loving the Air Jordan Retro 1 because it's the one that started it all, man. Without the Jordan 1s, we wouldn't have no other silhouette when it comes to the Jordans. Now, this one right here, I did pick this one up second. Originally, I put a bid in for these and I hit and the person never shipped the shoe. So I was like, dang, it is what it is. I said, I'm gonna just wait because I saw the prices start dropping and I was like, I would have paid like almost $30 more than what I paid when I finally did pick this pair up. But this one right here, as you guys can see, I got these from GOAT, and you guys can see I had some box damage. Now, one thing I would point out, and you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, when it comes to eBay, StockX, or just any other company that does selling of sneakers on the aftermarket, if there is a issue, like when it comes to just this right here, just being a cosmetic issue to the box, I know that I'm getting like $15-$25 back from GOAT. It depends on how much the sneaker is worth and just, you know, how damaged it looks. And this right here, man, you guys can see it's pretty damaged right here on my box. But either way, so you guys already know what sneaker it is. Let's go ahead and get them out the box. And we in there. Yes, Lord, y'all. We got them Varsity red joints. Out of the sneakers that we saw when we saw that they were bringing out the Unions this year, I knew two of them for sure that I wanted, and it was this pair and the Sport Royal, or I like to call them the Royals, just Royal colorway, man, because that's the ones that, I mean, they got Royal on them. And either Sport Royal is still Royal to me. But yes, this one right here was one that I really wanted to get. I did not hit for retail on either of the pairs. Now, you do have that white and black pair that came out, and then you also have a friends and family that has the makeup of the UNC colorway. So I knew that I wanted to get my hands on these, but I did not hit, and I'm glad that I waited because I was able to grab these for a cheaper price, like $30 cheaper than what I had, because the person did not ship the shoe originally. And that's too easy, man, because I was just like, you know, I'm still trying to get them in the collection. I still want them. And this pair right here was one that I just really was like, hey, I know I'm gonna get them. I knew I was gonna get them. Now you got that blue on the bottom of the sneaker. Of course, you kind of get hit with that bread effect at the top, and then you have that original fragment vibe on the bottom half where the stitching is, all this area right here. And just like the Sport Royal pair, you do have kind of like that yellow right there going, it's like a goldish brown yellow type vibe where you can see going along the edges of the sneaker where it looks like it's uncut and they left it like that. I do like that vibe. And then of course you have the fragment and the Union LA hits on the sneaker as well. This one right here did come with an extra set of laces as well. You have the yellow, you have red, and you have black. But me personally, I'm going to keep the laces that came in these for right now. I think that it's pretty cool where you have that two-tone hit, because I don't think the other ones have the two-tone hit, but I think that the two-tone hit of the laces is a vibe. So I think that I'm gonna keep them just like this. If anything, I would put the black laces in because you do have a black tongue, but then you also have like this off-white sail looking vibe of the tongue at the top. So either way, you can have the white laces in or the black laces in. I've seen a lot of people put the yellow laces in, which makes the uncut part of the sneaker pop. And I mean, that's dope, but I ain't gonna hold you. I like having the white laces in for right now. And that's just because I like having the two-tone lace where you have the one lace at the bottom and then another color at the top. But let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions on these. Before we get up out of here, we gotta check out the other pair because I wanna know which one y'all rocking with heavier. And like I said, I picked this pair up from GOAT as well, and you guys can see we got the GOAT little QR code thing right here on the box. GOAT, I always be shopping on GOAT, and y'all know that right now currently I only can wear one shoe, so I did lace this pair up, and I like the vibes of like that purple hit on it. Like this purple, it's not really a sport royal, but that purple hit. Right now I can only wear my right side when it comes to my shoes because I had that foot reconstruction on the left side, which the doctor said is looking superb. But I still gotta say that if I had to pick one over the other one, I do like this one over this one. I'd have to say that the Friends and Family UNC would come in third, and then the last pair would be the white pair. And I think I only know one person that got that white pair, and that might be Jay the sneaker guy. Shout out to the bro Jay, man. That's my folks right there. This one right here is one that I feel like I wanted to go after first, and I'm glad that I did go after these first because the price went crazy on these. Yes, the price did go up on these, so I got these for a really good price when I did pull the trigger over on GOAT. And now finally being able to add this Varsity red pair to finish off the Union Fragment Jordan collab for the year. These were the two that I really wanted, and I'm happy now that I do have both of these colorways in the collection. And y'all already know we got one more sneaker. If you guys missed the videos from Air Max Day, when those sneakers all came out, that Saturday I dropped the video. I was trying to go 4 for 4. I did go 4 for 4. So the sneaker that is coming in is the last sneaker pickup of March and of the first quarter. So I will be giving you guys a full recap of all my first quarter pickups, letting you guys know what it's looking like, man. And so far right now, I would say I probably got 2 sneakers out of the first quarter that I'm looking to put into my top 10 right now, and I will be sharing that with you guys as well. And I forgot, if you guys saw the Lego video that I dropped, I finished the Lego. I'll put a picture right here, and in the next video I'll grab it because it's downstairs, and y'all know the boy is on crutches, and I do not feel like crutching down and crutching back up trying to bring up the Lego set. I will show you guys the completed version on camera, but you guys can take a look at the picture right here. It turned out superb. This is a really nice piece that they did drop. I do feel like I might have to grab some more Legos because it was kind of therapeutic, just chilling, just taking the time out to just put it together and build it. It was pretty enjoyable, man. So I think I might get some more Legos, y'all. I think I might get some more Legos and start building some Legos just because I felt like it was kind of therapeutic. But y'all already know the vibes, man. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinion. Y'all rocking with the Sport Royals? Y'all rocking with the Varsity Reds? Or how do you guys feel about the other pairs that came out? I know they had the white and black pair with the little bit of blue that came out. I think it had a little bit of blue. And then you had the Family and Friends pair, the UNCs. I ain't gonna hold you, like I told y'all, this one right here being my number 1, this one right here being my number 2, and I had to get 1 and 2, and I was able to do that. So that is pretty dope to me. Like, comment, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, comment down below. Let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions of the Union Fragment Jordan collab. Is this something that you guys picked up? Is it something that you guys passed on? This Varsity red colorway was the one I feel like was a little bit more available. To the next video, y'all already know the vibes. Peace, love, in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Yeah!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement 3s and throw a little fit together.